Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to get back deleted application on your Android mobile. Guys, sometimes you have to delete accidentally some applications from your Android mobile and you don't know name of this application. So how can I recover? Simply open Play Store application on your Android mobile and tap on profile icon top right corner. And now guys, here is the interface. Tap on manage apps and device, and now tap on manage. And now guys, here is tap on this device. You can see now guys, tap on not installed here guys. And now guys, this application has been deleted from your Android mobile. Now if you want to recover any one application, so simply tap on this box, and if you want to recover this, tap on it and tap on download button top right corner. And here guys, when you tap on it, is downloading again from your Android Play Store on your Android mobile. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.